Hello, and welcome again to Exposing Truth Ministry for another health nugget. Beloved, we wish above all things that thou mayest prosper and be in good health, even as thy soul prospereth. Today we have a special guest all the way from Uganda. And Brother Edmond is going to be sharing with us about land and missionary gardening. What does gardening have to do with our health? Brother Edmond, what do you have to share with us today?
Land and gardening missionary. I'd suggested to begin with Genesis 2:15 and 17. But the interest all about is God giving man to tend the garden. And I'd shared the quote within Testimonies, volume 6 and 178. So if the land is cultivated, it will, with the blessing of God, supply our necessities and not carry about temporal things because of apparent failures, not be disheartened by it. Should work the soil cheerfully, hopefully, prayerfully, believing that the earth holds in her bosom rich stores for the faithful worker that holds richer than gold or silver.
Let parents understand that the training of their children is an important work in the saving of souls. In country places, abundant useful exercise will be found in doing those things that need to be done, and which will give health, physical health, by developing nerve and muscle. Out of the city is my message for the education of our children. God gave our first parents the mean of true education when he instructed them to till the soil and care for their garden home. After sin came in, through disobedience to the Lord's requirement, the work to be done in cultivating the ground was greatly multiplied. For the earth, because of the curse, brought forth weeds and thistles. But employment itself was not given because of sin. The great master himself blessed the work of tilling the soil. And that's from CL 13:3 and 4.
How to get started. If you have a yard, a solution is in front of you. How to work on your poor soil garden. Amend it with compost and other nutrients. When to grow. Fall is a great time to grow. What to grow? Trees, vegetables such as eggplants, cabbage, kale, broccoli.
So we're saying that gardening and growing our food is helpful to our health in many ways, because not only do we have healthy food to eat, but we get exercise, we get fresh air, we burn calories, we can lose weight, we develop strong bones. You know, I like the part that you shared that work was not as a result of sin, that was not a curse. The earth did get more difficult to work, but it's not a curse. And from what we are seeing here and what you are sharing with us, work is actually a blessing. Do you garden? As our presenter said, you don't have to have acres and acres if you have a yard. And I do say, if you have flower pots, we can start growing herbs. We can start growing just about anything that will benefit our health. Let us know in the comment below, how do you maintain a garden? Do you maintain a garden? What are some of your best practices? You know, one of the things, I don't know if you know, I find like I will have onions that I grow, they last much longer and they're better than the ones from the supermarket. Potatoes last longer, the ones that I grow, than the ones from the supermarket. So would you say it's better to go to the supermarket or plant your own? You'd say plant your own. Plant your own. And planting also develop faith, because we put the seed in the ground, we depend on God to bring the increase, and he always comes through. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching Exposing Truth Ministry. For another health nugget, please prepare to share this video, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you will know when a new health nugget is available. Thank you. God bless.